Hello everyone, welcome to eenaduepratibha. In this video, we are going to discuss about some of the important questions on partnership topic. I think we have already covered the introductory session, so please watch that before watching this one. Okay, let's start with the first question. Question number 1 says, Akhil, Kiran and Chakri invested 4,500, 3,000 and 7,500 respectively in a business. Akhil left after 6 months. If after 8 months, if there is a gain of rupees 3,700, then what will be the share of Kiran? What will be the share of Kiran is the question. Now I told you investments. How can you decide how can you decide the profit ratio? Profit ratio will be depending upon depending upon investment and time period, right? Both investment and time period. Whoever invests for the more time, whoever invests more, they will get more profit. Who will be more for time period, who will invest for more time period, those persons will get more profit. So this is directly proportional only. So if investment increases, profit also increases. If investment decreases, profit also decreases. So compared to the persons. Now let's find out. I believe we have done some of the important model questions as well, example questions, by not taking the the standard question and just take random examples. So these are the standard questions, but please keep practicing these. A value is equal to 4,500, B value is equal to 3,000 and C value is equal to 7,500. Akhil left after 6 months, but if 8 months is the time period, right? 8 months after they are calculating the profits means Akhil only was there for 6 months. So remaining 2 persons are there for 8 months each. This is the ratio. Now I told you in the ratio, if you have common things on either sides, on each and every terms, you can cancel those. You can cancel the zeros here. Now you can take 15 table, 15 threes and 15 twos and 15 fives, and then what you can do, this is 2 threes there, 2 fours and 2 fours into, this is into, and this ratio is there and this is 9 is to 8 is to 20 is the ratio. So Akhil has to get 9 rupees. Who is Kiran? Let's say this guy is Kiran. Okay, B is Kiran. Kiran is getting 8 rupees. For every 9 rupees Akhil gets, Kiran gets 8 rupees and Chakri gets 20 rupees. So what they are asking, what is the share of Kiran? Kiran share is 8 parts, right? 8 by is 17. 17 plus 20 is 37. 37 into how much is the profit? Where I have, okay, here it is. I'm sorry, 3700. 37 ones, 37 hundreds. It's 8,000. 800 it is. Take it as 37,000. This is 8,000. 8,000 is the answer. How can he get 8,000 if it is 3,700 is the profit? I'm sorry, that should be 37,000 is the profit. Now that is also near to impossible to generate that much profit, but this is an hypothetical question. Take 8,000. Maybe some of the entrepreneurs can do that. That's why the businesses will get hit, right? So what is the main purpose of doing this partnership means? In order to inculcate you some of the ideas, this much profits you will get, this much investment if you put, sometimes will only, to be in a positive note, always I'll put it as profit only, I'll never put it as loss. Anyway, loss amount will not be shared. Anyway, in the questions also which you are going to get in SSC CGL or in the banking examination, will always rely upon the profit values only. So take this one. 8,000 is the answer. Next. I think this is believable. But here also 7,200 means any one of this can be possible. It is A, B, C I have taken. Now A is investing 10,000, B is investing 30,000 and C is investing 40,000 respectively in a business. A left after 5 months. If after 10 months there was a gain of 7200. So then what will be the share of A? That means the partnership company, before looking into the profits, so from the start date they are checking only for 10 months. So that 10 months means A is only there for 5 months. A is only there for 5 months and B will be there for 10 months, and C will be there for how much he is investing? 40,000 he is investing, and how many months he will stay for? They have not given anything specific, so I will take 10 months. So this 4 zeros cancel. What is that to cancel again? This 5 is 2. Okay, this is 1 now. 5 ones are 5 twos are and 5 twos. This is 1 is 2. 3 twos are, it is how much? 6. And this is 4 twos are, it is 8. Now what will be the share of A? A's value will be only one part. That's why he is getting so much less. One part out of how much? This is 14 and this is 15 into 7200. Okay, 5 threes and let's find out 3 fives are 324 threes are only, right? Okay, 5 ones, 5 eights, sorry, 5 fours. Anyway, 480 you will get. You can check if you want. You can multiply 2 here, you can multiply 2 here. This is 4800 by 10, that is 4800. You can multiply 2 and 2 with numerator and denominator in order to, if you multiply 5 with 2, what will happen? You will get 10. Like that is the reason why I am multiplying. Or you can go with digital sum, or you can go with unit digit, whatever the method you want, you can go. So this is the answer. So even if 3 will cut here, one more 3 will be there, 8 into 9. So that 4, it should be divisible with 4, and this is not divisible with 4. This is not divisible with 3. This is divisible with 4 and divisible with 3 as well. You can go with that. It has to be a multiple of 8 as well, because here this is not a multiple of 8. That means whenever you are cancelling, the 8 multiple will remain inside. So this is also not an 8 multiple. This is, if harder level questions are, if this is an easy calculation, I know. If difficult level calculations are there, you can decide with the divisibility rules. Don't forget to watch this number system concept. In that I have discussed about divisibility rules. We went very deep in the last questions as well. So do watch that. Okay. So 480 is the answer for this question. Next. A started a software business by investing rupees 45,000 after 8 months. B joined her with a capital of 60,000 after 2 years. The end profit of rupees 34,000. What is A share in the profit? What is A share in the profit? Okay. A started a software business by investing rupees 45,000. Okay, A started 45,000. Okay. After 8 months, B joined him with a capital of 60,000. After 2 years, they have searched for the profit. You can write this A stayed for 2 years, but B came after 8 months, right? So you have to convert that years into months. So this 2 years means how many months? It is 24 months. So B stayed for B with a capital of 60,000. But he came after 8 months. After 8 months means he stayed for 16 months in the partnership. So first 8 months he is not there. That means he stayed only for 16 months, and they got the profit of 34,000 as a profit. 34,000. So 0 zeros cancel. How many zeros? 3 zeros. 3 zeros cancel. 15 threes are 15 fours. 8 threes. 8 twos. So this is 9:8. 9:8 is the ratio. 9:8 is the ratio. But we want whose profit? A's profit. 9 by 17 into 34,000 is 2 times. So that is 2 into 9, 2,000 into 9. So this is 18,000 is the answer for this question. Okay. So this is A value 45,000 into 24. He stayed for they have not given anything about A. That means A will be there from the starting to ending when they are going to calculate the profits as well. B is missing the first 8 months, right? He joined after 8 months. So if the total time period is 24 months, he didn't, he's not there for this 8 months. He's not there for this 8 months when the remaining part is 16 months only. So the 18,000 is the answer for this question. A started a software business by investing rupees 14,000 after 6 months. B joined with a capital of 21,000 after 3 years. Whenever months is there in the question, directly go by converting years into months. So 1 year is equal to 12 months. You have to know that. If you don't know, it will be a bit difficult for you to solve this question. They earned a profit of rupees 27,000. A share in that profit is how much? A share in that profit. Okay. So A is investing 14,000. He is staying until the last 3 years, means 36 months he is there. Okay, 1 year is equal to 12 months, means 3 years is equal to 36 months. B will be there for how many months? How much he is investing? 21,000. But he is not there for the first 6 months. That means 30 months. 3 zeros cancel. 6 5s and 6 6. 7 2s and 7 3s. 3 1s, 3 2s. So this is 4:5. Now what is A's profit, right? 4 parts out of 9 parts into 27,000. 9 1s, 9 3s. So the answer is 12,000. A is investing how much? 14,000. For he is staying for how many months? He is staying entire pura. He is staying for total 3 years to 36 months. He is staying. But do remember one thing. If you are taking in the time period in the form of months, you have to take time period in the form of months only. Okay. A is this, B is this. You will get 4:5. 4 by 9 to 27,000, 12,000 is the answer for this question, which is the option C. C is the answer for this question. Now, fifth question. P and Q invest their money in a business with the amount of rupees 36,000 and 48,000 for 1 year. Find the ratio of their profit. It is very easy question. For 1 year, time period is same, means I have told you investment ratio only you have to see. So P is there and Q is there. What they are doing? The P is investing 36,000 for 1 year, and Q is investing 48,000 for 1 year. So 3 zeros cancel. Is 36 3s are 36 4s are. The answer is 3:4. Okay. So if time period is same, right, like this. If time period is same, you have to check only profits is directly proportional to investment ratio. Okay, profit ratio is equal to investment ratio. Or I'll write okay, right like this. Profit ratio is equal to investment ratio. Only will depend upon the profit ratio will depend upon only the investment ratio. That is 3:4. Next, P and Q invest money in the business with the amount of 14,500 and 18,700 for 1 year. Find the ratio of their profit. So P is doing for how many years of 14,500 and Q is 18,700. This guy is for 1 year and this guy is for 1 year. 2 zeros cancel. I have not changed the options. 187 for 1 year. Just give me a minute. I don't think I have changed the options for this. See, for this and this question number 5 and question number 6 it got printed the same, so these options are wrong. 7 table it will go, let's see, 7 table it will not go, 9 table no chance. 145 and 187, let's say find GCD. this is 2 and this is 42, 145. 42 4 there is 160, 42 3 there is 126. This is 9 and this is 19 and this is 42. 19 2s are 38. Nothing is common between these two. So 4 4s are it is 30, 4 4s are 16. 3. Nothing is common between these two, so the answer is 145 is to 188. Okay, that answer is 145 is to 187. I'm sorry, I should have changed the options. If you are confusing, if you don't know the divisibility rules, if maximum what I told you in number system, right? You will check 11. You will check 7. This is 11 multiple only. This is not. It should be 154, I guess. I think this is 154. Let me check if 154 is to 187 is there. This is 14 and this is 17. 187 na? 11 na? 17 na? 14 is to 17 is also not there. 4 is to 7 is there. Anyway, take down the options as 145 is to 187. Change one option to 145 is to 187. Next, seventh one. P started a partnership business with Q with investing amounts of rupees 36,000 and 40,000 respectively. After 8 months, R joined them with an amount of 50,000. At the end of the year, they get a profit of rupees 2780. How much R gets as his profit? Okay, P, what he is doing, he started the partnership business with investing amounts of 36,000. 36,000. He started the business, partnership business with Q with investing amounts of 36,000. But after 8 years, after 8 months, R joined them. So he at the end of the year means P is staying for 12 months. If you calculate Q is also staying for 12 months only, because they have not given any information about leaving about P and Q. So we'll assume they are staying. But R is joining after 8 months. After 8 months means suppose from January to December is there. So from January to August he is not there. He is there only from September, October, November, December. That means 4 months only. So last 4 months only will be there, but he invested only 50,000 for 4 months. Okay, what zeros how many cancel? I can do 3 zeros are common, and what can I cancel here? 4 table, 4 ones, 4 threes and 4 threes. What else I can cancel? This is 25, 2 25s and this 2 20s, and this is 2 18s. This is 54 is to 60 is to 25, but R value I want 25 by whatever the value you can take, you can get the answer 25 divided by this is 85 or 80 plus 50, 139 it is, 139 into 2780. So obviously this is seeming to be 20 times, because since the answers are not in points, it should directly get cancelled. So obviously it is 130 and 270 means approximately it is 20. In this case it is exactly, if you don't know you can do approximately. This 500 is the answer. So PQR 36,000 into 12, 40,000 into 12 and 50,000 into 4. Why I have written 4 there? Because he is joining after 8 months. So 54 is to 60 is to 25, 25 by 139 into 2780, that is 500 is the answer for this question. We started a particular partnership business, P started a partnership business with Q with investing amounts of 24,000 and 32,000 respectively. After 8 months, R joined them with the amount of 36,000. At the end of the year, the profit of 6,800. How much money gets as a profit? Okay. P is there, Q is there, and R is also there. The guys coming after 8 months. So 24,000 into 12. They have not given any information about P leaving. So I'll think that I'll take that all the 12 months he is there in the partnership. Next, this guy is investing 32,000 and he is also staying for 12 months. And the R guy, this guy is coming after 8 months. That means 4 months only he is there, but investing how much? 36,000. Okay, how many zeros? 3 zeros, 3 zeros, 3 zeros cancel. 12 ones, 12 ones, 12 threes. Now what is there? This is 24 is to 32 is to 12. 4 table you can get. 4 6 are, 4 8 are, 4 3 are. Now this guy is 3 by 14 plus 3, it is 17. 17 into 6800. 17 ones are 7 400s, our answer is 1200. 1200 is the answer for this question. So P it is 24,000 into 12. I told you have to always get investment of P into time period of P. Investment of Q is to time period of Q. Investment of R into time period of R. The profit ratio, profit earned by P, profit earned by Q, and profit earned by R is nothing but investment of A is to investment of P is into time period of P. Investment of Q is into time period of Q. Investment of R into time period of R. The same thing I am doing here. This is the profit ratio. So profit ratio for every 6 rupees P gets, Q has to get 8 rupees and R has to get only 3 rupees. That means R has to get 3 rupees out of every 17 rupees. In every 17 rupees, what is the R share? It is only 3 rupees, right? In 6800 rupees, what is the R share? I am asking. So 3 by 17 into 6800. The answer is 1200 rupees. 1200 rupees. Question number 9. A, B, C started the partnership business investing the money in the ratio is 5:8:11. After 3 months, D joined them and invested her money, which is equal to, how do we know she is he? I mean, person is a he or a she, which is equal to A's investment. Find the ratio of the profit at the end of the year. Okay. Now what they are telling? I got to know that there are 4 persons, A, B, C, D. A is, whenever I told you, whenever you have a ratio, you can take in the form of x, right? 5x, 8x, 11x like that. By maintaining the same ratio, I don't know what is the x value. What is D? What obviously he is doing, he's joining after 3 months means first 3 months he is not there. That means he is there only for 9 months. Okay, that got fixed. D joined and invested her money, which is equal to A's investment. Okay, A's guys investment is. Now what about these guys' time period? What about these? No, if they have not given, you have to go with as 12. Okay. So this is 12 common, 3 common is there. Okay. 3 4s are 3, 3 4s are 3 4s are 3 3s are. This is 20. 32 is to 44 is to 15. 20, 32, 44, 15. Here is there. Okay. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. 5x, 8x, 11x, and 5x into 9, 4, 4, 4. Just multiply and you will get the answer. Next. A, B, C started a partnership business investing then the money in the ratio 2:5:8. After 4 months, D joined them, invested her money, which is equal to A's investment. Find the ratio of the profit at the end of the year. Okay, I got to know that there are 4 persons in the partnership, A, B, C, D. So this is 2x and this is 5x and this is 8x and D is 8 A's investment only, is 2x, but this guy is coming after 4 months, so he is there only for 8 months, but this guy is there for 12 and this person is for 12. What you can take common? You can take common 4 will be there. I think 4 is convenient because 8 will not go in this. Okay, 4 3s, 4 3s, 4 3s, 4 2s. So this is 6 is to 15 is to 24 is to 4. I think common is there. 6 is to 15 is to 24 is to 4. Option A is correct. Okay. So don't forget, investment profit ratio always will depend upon investment ratio and the time period. So this is investment of A, this is time period of A. This is investment of B, this is time period of B. This is investment of C, this is time period of C. This is investment of D and time period of D. So in what ratio they have, in the same way you have to take the profit. So obviously this is possible, right? This is possible in outside as well. Now if for every 6 rupees A gets, B has to get 15 rupees, C has to get 24 rupees and D has to get 4 rupees. Why C is getting more? Because the amount C has put is more and he is there at the ending as well. So both are in his favor only. If you are investing more and if your time period is also more, then obviously your profit is also more. So that's why you can decide C has to be the most value. Yeah, C is there in all the things, but here this is wrong. So that you can cancel. Okay. P started a business with an investment amount of rupees 24,000 and after some months Q joined her with investment of 36,000. Q invested his money for how many months if at the end of the year profit is equally divided between them. So profit is equally divided between them means profit of P is to profit of Q is equal to 1 is to 1. Profit of P is nothing but investment of P into time period of P and this is investment of Q into time period of Q is equal to 1 is to 1. So this investment of P is how much? 24,000 and after some months at the end of the year, right? At the end of the year means how many months will be there in the end of the year? It will be 12 months total. Investment of Q is 36,000, but how many months? After some months, so Q invested his money for how many months? For how many months means always you take X here. For how many months means the answer will be X. After how many months means the answer will be 12 minus X. That also we'll see, but we'll stick with this one. For how many months means for how many months? For how many months means always you have to take X value as your answer. Don't forget. For how many months means you have to take, I'll write here. Please put it as a note. For how many months? For how many months means? For how many months? You have to take it as answer as X. After how many months means? Given time period minus X, that is 12 minus X in this question. See, in this question they are telling only for 1 year, so you have to take it as 12 minus X. They are asking for 2 years, you have to tell it as 24 minus X, like that. Zeros cancel, 12 ones are 12 threes, 3 ones, 3 eights, so 8 is to X is equal to 1 is to 1. So 8 by X is equal to 1 by 1 is 1, X is equal to 8. So how many months Q has stayed in the partnership? Q is there 8 months. For how many months he is there, right? For how many months means You have to take x value only. But for the same question, you will do the same. After how many months means you will take it as 12 minus 8, the answer is 4. After how many months he joined means the answer is 4. But for how many months means the answer is 8. Don't forget that, write that note. P started a business with an investment amount of rupees 70,000. After some months, Q joined her with an investment of rupees 54,000. Q invested his money for how many months if at the end of the year profit is equally divided between them? Okay. P is there. P invested 72,000. Q invested 54,000. For how many months, right? For how many months? So I don't know. This guy is there for 12, and profit is equally divided between them. So 1:1. So 3 zeros cancel. 18 threes are 18 fours it is. 18 threes it is. 3 ones, 3 fours. X 16 by x is equal to 1 by 1. So x is equal to 16. X is equal to 16. I'm sorry, just give me 1 minute. I don't think x is equal to 16 is the correct observation in this, because they are telling only at the end of the year. So just take this one as 16 only for now, but they will not give less than, the answer should be less than 12 only, but they have to give it as 16. This is one of the previous year's questions. I just copied it. Just see this one. Only this part, some of the questions I have taken directly as 16. There is some error in the question. Okay, X and Y started a partnership business by investing rupees 3,600 and 4,000 rupees respectively. After 8 months, Y left and took his capital. At the end of the year, they have earned a profit of 4,200. What is the Y's profit? Okay, X, Y is there. X value is 3,600. Y value is 4,000. After 8 months, Y left. So he is there for how many months? He is there only for 8 months. But at the end of the year means this is 12. But profit is 4,200. So we have to find out what is the profit ratio. How many zeros I can cancel? 0, 0 cancel. This is 4 3s are 4 10s are 3 18s. So 2 18s, 2 5s. Acha 4 table you can cancel it. 2 9s and 2. So 27 is to 20. So 47 it is. Sorry, is there anything to cancel? Yes, give me 1 minute. I will cancel again. You see, is 3,600 into 12. After 8 months means he will there for only 4 months. I am sorry. That is 4,000 into 4. After 8 months means he is there only for 4 months. 2 zeros cancel. 4 1s, 4 3s, 4 9s, 4 10s. So 20. 27 is to 10. Just give me a minute. 13th question. So the question should be after 8 months only. If 8 months is there, this is 2 suppose. 27 is to 2. I think the question is wrong. Just the question is wrong. Is it 4,000 or what? 4,000 only have given. Okay, whatever I will take the question as correct and I will tell you what is the answer. Whatever the answer is, even if it is points, take like that only. The question after 8 months means first 8 months he is not there. Sorry, first 8 months he is there, but last 4 months he is not there. So how many months is there? 8 is there. So this is 3600 into 12. Why I am not taking 12 minus x there means he is there only for 8 months now. He is there only for 8 months, so 2 zeros cancel. Or yeah, 0 0 0. This 2 zeros cancel. This is 4 tens, 4 threes, 4 twos, 4 nines. Okay. This is 27:20. I think I have done. I've got the same as 27:24. This is how much should y get? Y is 20 by 47 into 4200. So 20 by 47. I don't think these two will get cancelled, so remains like that. So leave it until there. The question is wrong. If I take this as 47, the answer should be 2000. Take this one as 47 then. 41 7 ones are 47 hundreds are. So the answer is 2000. Maybe this got printed wrong. I don't remember the actual question. This got printed wrong, I guess. Okay, solve this question then. X and Y started a partnership business by investing 5,400 and 6,000 respectively. After 9 months, Y took his capital. At the end of the year, they earned a profit of rupees 3333. What is the Y's profit? What is the Y's profit? X is 5,400. Y is 6,000. After 9 months, Y left. So Y is there only for 9 months and this guy is there for 12 months. So let's check. This is 0 zeros cancel. 9 ones are 9 sixes, 6 ones are 6 tens are. So 2 6 are 2 5 are. So answer is 6:5. But Y's profit I want. So 5 by Y's profit is 5 by how much? 5 by 11 into what is the profit? It is 3333 is the profit. 3333. So 11 ones, 11 threes are okay. I can't take 2 digits at once again. So I will put 0. I will put 3 here. So 1500 plus 15. So total 1515 is the answer. You can multiply if you want. 1515 is the answer for this question. X is 5400 into 12 and 6000 into 9. So 6:5 is the ratio. 6:5 is the ratio means total 5 parts out of 11 parts into 3333. Just cancel that. You will get 303 into 5, that is 1500 plus 15, that is 1515. Answer is B. Answer is B. Next, 3 partners PQR shared a profit in the partnership business in the ratio 1:3:5. They had partnered for 4 months, 5 months and 10 months respectively. Find the investment ratio. I will tell you the lengthy method, I will tell you the shortcut method as well. PQR, what is the formula? Profit of A, investment of A into time period of A, investment of P, right? PQR. Okay, investment of P into time period of P is to investment of Q into time period of Q. So investment of R into time period of R is equal to profit of Q is to profit of P is to profit of Q is to profit of R. This we know it to be 1:3:5. This they have given. Generally they will give investment and time period and they will ask you to find out profit ratio, but in this case they have given profit, they have given time period. Time period is investment of P into time period of P is to investment of Q into time period of Q is 5 months. Investment of R into time period of R is 10 months. Now let me take only this one. What is that? This is ratio is nothing but a fraction. This is 4 investment of P by 5 investment of Q is equal to what is the first 2 parts? It is 1:3. So 4 comes this side, 5 comes this side. This is investment of P by investment of Q is 5 by 12. So investment of P is to investment of Q is equal to 5 by 5 is to 12. 5 is to 12 where it is? Here it is. Is this 5 is to 12? No. Is this 5 is to 12? No. Is this 5 is to 12? No. This is 3 is to 4 by the way. But no, I want 5 is to 12, that is wrong. So only one thing is there. If you want pura, I will take this one. Investment of Q by investment of R is equal to, what is that? This is 3 by 5, but this 5 comes this side and this 10 goes that side. This is 6 by 5. But we do know, right? I am writing here investment of P is to investment of Q. I got it as 5 is to 12. Investment of Q is to investment of R is equal to 6 is to 5. 6 is to 5 can be written as 12 is to 10. So answer is 5 is to 12 is to 10. But not needed. You can check what the first and second. But this much is also not needed. We know investment ratio. You know that profit is nothing but investment into time period. So investment is nothing but profit by time period. Profit value, investment ratio we'll find out. Investment ratio is 1 by 4. This is profit of A and profit of Q and investment time period of Q. Profit of this 3 by 5 and this 5 by 10. Now what is the LCM? LCM is 10, 20, 20, this is into 20, this is into 20. 10 ones, 10 twos, 5 ones, 5 fours and 4 ones, 4 fives. So 5 is to 12 is to 10. Five is to 12 is to 10 is the answer. Directly we will do the shortcut method. We will not go by the lengthy method for this question. See, this is 2 by 2. 2 by 2 is to next 4 by 4. 7 by 5. That means the first one and second one is 1 is to 1. 1 is to 1 is to 1 by 7 by 5. Which option you will pick? First one and second one is 1 is to 1. So here it is not 1 is to 1, it is 2 is to 3, it is 9 is to 7, this is wrong. This is wrong, this is wrong. 5 is to 5 means 1 is to 1, this is can be correct. And this one, this is also wrong. So only 5 is to 5 is to, or just multiply with 5. 5 is to 5 is to 7 is the answer for this question. So that is about 16th question. Anu started a business with the amount of 70,000 and after some months Kusum with the amount, investing amount at 72,000 at the end of the year, the ratio between the profits is 7 is to 6. How many months after did Kusum join? Okay. I know there is Anu and there is Kusum. Profit ratio they have already given. But how many at the end of the month? But how many months after? So you have to go for after how many months? You have to go for 12 minus 6. For how many months means it is x. After how many months means your answer you have to take it as 12 minus x. But the procedure remains same. This is 70,000. She is there until the end from the starting. So 12 it is. So this 70,000. This girl is 72,000. I don't know for how many months. For how many months I am taking. X months she is there in the period. So x I am taking. That is equal to 7 is to 6. Okay. 0 zeros cancel. This is 70. This 12 ones are 12 sixes are. So 70 by 6 is equal to 7 by 6x by the way. 7 tens are, so 0 cancel. X is equal to how much I got? So for 10 months Kusum is there in the investment. Kusum is there in the partnership. 10 months she is there means 2 months she is not there. So from January to December if you take, there are 12 months. 10 months she is there. That means January and December she has missed. So after how many months she did join Anu? After 2 months she joined Anu. After 2 months. So after how many months means 12 minus x. So 12 minus 10, that is 2 months. Okay. Last question. Anu started a business with the amount of 36,000 and after some months Kusum joined with the investing amount of rupees 44,000. At the end of the year, the ratio between the profits is 18:11. What is the after how many months means? Again you have to go for 12 minus x. First find out x value and do 12 minus x. That's it. After how many months means? After means Anu is there and Kusum is there. Anu is 36,000. She is there for 12 months and Kusum is there 44,000. I don't know for how many months she is there. I will take it as x. So 0 zeros cancel. 4 11s are 4 3s. This is 36 into 3 by 11x is equal to 18:11. Okay, 18 ones, 18 twos, 11 11 cancel, x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6. After how many months is there? 6 months. So for 6 months means she is not there from January to June, from July to December she is there, but 6 months she is not there means 6 months she is there. Only for 6. It doesn't matter whether you are taking after how many months or for how many months. The answer remains 6 only. Okay. So x is equal to 6. So that is it, guys. Let's see from the top what we have seen. Akhil, Kiran and Chakri invested 4,500 rupees. 4,500 rupees, 3,000 and 7,500 rupees respectively in a business. Akhil left after 6 months. So after 8 months there is a gain. So profit ratio I have found out and I have taken Kiran's value 8 by 37 into 3700. So 8,000 is the answer. 8,000 but that is 37,000. Just change that one. ABC 10,000, 30,000 and 40,000 respectively in business. A left after 5 months. If after 10 months there is a gain of 7,200, then what is the value share of A? So 1:6:8, 1 by A something into 480. So 80 is 480 is the answer. Next. Akhil started a software business. A started a software business. I should not praise me, right? So okay. A 45,000 in 24. Yep. Just take the ratio and get it done. 9 by example questions we have done so many, right? You have to be able to solve this. I know for seeing this is very difficult, but actually it is not that. Nothing is there in that question. Just take the profit ratio and divide between them. 4. We have not changed the question. Okay. Next. P and Q invest their money in the business with the amount of 36,000, 48,000 for 1 year. Find the ratio of their profits. Profit ratio is equal to investment ratio when time period is same. So for 1 year, they have told you this is 3:4. Very easy question. And this is 145:187 because there is nothing common between them. 3,600 into 12. Sorry, 36,000, and I have shared the profits. I have taken the. I've shared the profits in the form of a ratio. I have in the form of whatever the ratio they have. The 25 by 139 2750. The answer is 500. Next, P started a partnership business with Q investing amounts of 24,000 and 32,000 respectively. After 8 months, it is 36,000. So same thing we are doing again and again. Here also the same thing. But only thing which is different is they have not given the money. They have the money value. They have given just in the form of ratio. We will take anything. There directly you can take 20, 32, 44 and 15 is there. Directly that is the answer. Next. ABC started a partnership business investing the money in the form of 2:5:8. So 2x 12, 5x 12, 8x 12 and 2x 8. So 6:15 24 4. P is to Q, that is 1:1, that is 24,000 into 12, 36,000 into 12. So don't forget, I have been telling you that for how many months the answer is x. After how many months means the answer should be 12 minus x. Given period minus x, given period is 12, so 12 minus x. For how many months means it is x. For after how many months means it is 12 minus x. Don't forget that. The same 1:1 means equal profit, equally divided means keyword is equally divided means 1:1. What we are doing here after 8 months, this is 27:12. So x is equal to 5412, 6000 into 9. So 1515. Next, investment of P into time period of P, investment of Q into time period of Q, investment of R into time period of R. Profit of P is to profit of Q is to profit of R. 6 by 5. 2 by 2, 4 by 4 and 7 by 5. 5 is to 5 is to 7. The answer is this one. Next, Anu started a business for how many months or after how many? After how many months? It is 10. Next, she after how many months means it is 12 minus x. So, it doesn't matter whenever time period is 6 months. So, 12 minus 6 is also 6. Directly x value is also 6 only. Okay. So, that is it, guys. Please keep practicing, keep watching. So, thank you so much. We'll try to meet in the next session. Thank you so much. Thank you.